What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be continuing our 5 days of Minecraft. Today we're going to be doing a Minecraft zombie. Okay, for the zombie we're going to do a nice squarish head with a little bit of rounded edges as well. Okay, you do it quite high up near the top so that we've got room for his body. And then for this one, instead of doing such smooth lines, I'm going to do a few more sort of quick, sharp lines for his t-shirt and his body. I don't know, because he's like a zombie and he's a bit more sinister, I feel like he would have like sharper edges to his clothes and just a little bit of a different style than what we've been doing on the other ones. So I've just done sort of basically a square for his t-shirt, and then we're going to have one arm just here pointing towards the bottom corner of his t-shirt, and then we'll just put a little line in for his hand, and then his other arm's going to stick out this side, and again we'll just do a little line for his hand and keep it nice and simple. Okay, for his trousers, I'm going to follow a basic sort of 2 square bits for his legs. I'm just going to put a few different lines in just for the folds in his clothes, and just, again, quite sharp lines. So if you want to do it like this, you can do. So that leg is basically just a rectangle, but I've just changed up the shape a little bit as I've gone around. So where his feet will go, I've made the trousers hang down a bit more. And again, I've made it a bit more jaggedy. Only a little bit jaggedy. Don't go crazy. And again, we're going to go out for his leg and then put a few little kinks in. Don't have to make his legs super long. And a couple of crease marks in his trousers. And then shoe. So I'm not going crazy with the details for shoes here. I'm just making one side a bit more curved and the other side a bit more flat, and then just a little line just for a suggestion of a little bit of detail. Right, for his eyes, I'm going to make them like evil zombie eyes, and what we're going to do is circle round and round and round and round, so he looks like he's gone crazy and now he's a zombie. And there it is. And so this is what he's going to look like coloured in. And if you do want to colour him in, and you want the same one I've done, all you need to do is go down into the description and you can head over to my website to download a copy of this. If you're enjoying these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Right, I will see you next time. Bye!